Look, I mean, the easy one is the inspiration I get just from dealing with founders on a daily basis. That's really, what I find fulfilling is working with people that are, out there, they have a clear mission, they know that they're up against it, and they just need to persevere and go all in. From a personal perspective, I'm the grandson of migrants, and the stories of my grandparents on both sides is really kind of what drives me. They've all been involved in business and very entrepreneurial, and moving to the other side of the world in a really uncertain time, I know was very challenging for them, and we're going through challenging times now. And I think contrasting my experience with theirs, kind of reminds me to toughen up from time to time, that things could be a lot worse, and we're pretty lucky here.